Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 25 of the Adobe Muse tutorial series. Today we're going to look at how to import Adobe as Animate compositions inside of Adobe Muse. So in order to import Adobe as Animate compositions, just go to Adobe as Animate right here and then open up one of your projects. So let's say for example I'm just going to create a new project right here, and then over here I'm just gonna do make some basic items right here. So you might have a project in here, so let me just drag out some random things, random shapes right here. So just drag this out, and there you go, and change the colors a bit. There you go. All right, so once you make your project, add in some animations and so forth. Say for example, like add in some animations just like this. What you have to do is you have to export this as an OM file. So if you have checked out my Adobe as Animate tutorial, then I have done that. So I'm going to go over to Publish Settings right here, and then I'm going to select Animate Deployment Package, which is the deployment package name right here. So on the publisher name, I'm just going to type in Animation 1. Alright, so in the target directory, I'm just going to select Desktop right here. So I'm going to put that out over here, and in the desktop, I'm just going to say select folder and save. And then go to file and then go to and just save this. I'm just going to save it inside of the website folder and press save. And now I'm going to publish this out. And once I publish it, what happens is that the Adobe as Animate file over here is there. So you have the animation 1 OEM file. So now I'm going to import that into Muse. So go to the Muse folder right here. And then over here you have to insert the OM file. So just go to file over here and then go to place, and then once you go to place, just go to desktop, and you can see that the OM file is there, and just press open, and you can see that the OM file actually comes over here. So you can see that the Adobe as Animate file is there, but this is not resizable, because we did not originally make it resizable. So let's go to the Adobe as Animate file and make this resizable. So let's turn this into a fluid grid both ways, and then select all of these, and then turn on the pixel right here. Let's say XI position will be in percentage, just like that. And now I'm going to export the Adobe the OM file again. So I'm going to go to the publish settings over here, and in the animation deployment package, just press 2 animation 2. It's going to be exported in the desktop itself. Just click publish, and what happens is that it exports the other OM. So let me just delete this out, go to file, go to place, and the animation 2 OM actually is resizable, as you can see right here. So you can see that it is very resizable because we actually enable the resizing option inside of as Animate itself. So if I were to preview the page in browser, it'll load up all the animations that we had in Adobe as Animate itself, and it maintains the size as well. So this is how you import Adobe as Animation, the HTML5 animations inside of Adobe Muse. So this has been this makes it a lot easier for you to create interactive websites using Adobe as Animate and Adobe Muse without having to code at all. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.